Hi all, welcome to Racsinfotech. In this video, I'm going to share one update related to Oracle DBA training, online training. It is not offline, it is online, purely online. And it's supposed to start from today itself due to some personal activities we have postponed to next week. And before going to start our regular sessions, we are going to conduct demo session on 5th Jan, this Sunday evening, 7 p.m. to 7:40 p.m. IST. This is a demo session. If even I'm getting a lot of queries through mail and also WhatsApp groups, even I'm getting calls related to the training. Few people are required. What is the course durations, course content, what we are going to deliver, and other stuff. So instead of reply or responding to individuals, we are going to make one virtual session like a demo so that everybody can able to understand. Even I have communicated to most of the uh, like people, those who connected are interested to join this Oracle 19C DBA online training. So I have scheduled it a Zoom invitation, a Zoom meeting where we are going to discuss about this course, Oracle DBA complete course. What are the topics we are going to cover? What are all the topics we are going to cover? And what is the duration? Even I have mentioned it here itself, 50 hours duration every day. It's supposed to start from 7:30 p.m. IST to around 9 p.m. IST. It's a regular session. So I don't want to, I don't want to confuse here and there. We are going to discuss all these things in our demo session. So daily 1.5 hour will be there. This Oracle DB 19 Monday to Friday. It is a weekday. It is not a weekend. But demo session we are conducting on weekend. Okay. Demo session we are conducting on weekend. This coming Sunday, 7 p.m. IST to 7:40 p.m. IST, Oracle 19C demo session. This link I am going to provide you in the video description, also in my blog, Anjani Apps DBA blog. So you can see this video here and Racsinfotech channel. Also, you can see this uh, Zoom invitation in my blog, Anjani Apps DBA. Here also you can get it. In demo session, we are going to, I'm going to take questions. If anybody is having any kind of queries, we are going to sort it out. Okay. So just high level, if you want to connect, send a mail to racsinfotech@gmail.com, or you can text me in this giving number 9392634440. Okay. In WhatsApp, calls and messages were available, especially on WhatsApp calls. And this is the course index which we are going to cover as part of this training. Apart from this technical delivery, we are going to share couple of interview preparation tips, interview question and answers. We are going to conduct mock interviews post completion of this course if the candidate is interested. Okay, if somebody really want to take a mock interview, sir, I want to go with a mock interview. How fair or how much I learn as part of this training, so that we will take 1 or 2 mock interviews as well. Everything like CV preparation, real-time scenarios, exercises, and real-time exposure, especially whatever the challenges are, what are the approach, real-time approach, how we are going to get the incidents, how we are going to get the activities as part of regular job. We are going to discuss those things as well. This course itself, we have make it or arranged as part of real-time approach. Okay. So most probably we are going to conduct this complete course, 40 to 50% of theory and 50 to 60% we are going to make it as a lab, because as a DBA, instead of theory, we need to have more hands-on experience. So each and every topic, we are going to prepare activity guides like user management, table space, backup and recovery, patching, cloning, performance tuning related, ASM theory part, and DC installation. We are going to see it because it's required rack environment. Okay, we have separate course, Oracle Rack Infrastructure. RAC course. Okay, that there we are going to install ASM and other things, but data guard we are going to haven't seen anywhere as part of core DBA. This DZ also we have provided from Racsinfotech. Okay, from Racsinfotech, we are going to provide this DZ also extra end to end, where we need to start, how we need to configure, and how we need to monitor the replications. These all things we are going to discuss in our demo session also. I'll explain each and every topic high level, and then we are going to learn step by step. Okay. And yeah, if you want to have more details related to this course and all, as I said, connect us racsinfotech@gmail.com or our WhatsApp group. Racsinfotech, we have a WhatsApp group. I'll share that. We have a Telegram group. Also, we have a LinkedIn, Racsinfotech. You will connect it us. And a few people from India, South India, if they want to learn online, we have this course in Udemy as well. It's very simple, what I can say, very less price, because Racsinfotech is not look for the money. It is looking for delivering the services, providing the information to the people. As much as we can do it. Also, we can have Anjani Apps DB as a blog. It is recognized by uh, top 10, sixth place out of 100 blogs. If you can look into it, this blog recognized is the sixth place. Okay, throughout the globe. Oracle related information, Oracle database related information. Simply let me take 100 top 100 Oracle blocks. If you can search, go with this feed this is a separate one site where they can monitor and share all the information. So this is the sixth place, Anjani Apps DBA blog. So that this proved it has a lot of information. Okay, it has a lot of information. If you can go through it, you can learn n number of topics. Oracle DBA, Oracle Apps DBA, Exadata, Cloud, everything you can learn, whatnot related to this DBA. Okay. Yeah, and yeah, most of the topics related like interview questions, Oracle DBA knowledge. Frequently, I'm going to upload those latest technologies and the latest versions of Oracle database information. I'm going to upload in my Racsinfotech channel. If you guys are interested, you can subscribe, and then you will get an alerts. If you can click on that bell icon, you will get a notifications as and when we have uploaded the videos, latest videos. Okay, and yeah, motto is this video motto, main point is we are going to conduct Oracle 19C DBA course online course demo session this coming Sunday 5th January 7 p.m. IST to 7:40 p.m. IST. The original batch we are going to start it from 8th January tentatively, evening 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST, that is Monday to evening batch. Okay guys, thank you.